Question number 55 from mental ability. In this question, they are giving some information. The information is P square box. The given information from the question is P square box Q delta R. This is the given information in the question. If we decode this question, then delta, then square box is replaced by less than. So P is less than Q, whereas delta is replaced by not equal to. So the question becomes, if we decode this question, it becomes P less than Q delta, delta which reflects not equal to. So P less than Q not equal to R. This is the given information in the question. By this given information, they are asking out of the 4 options which is not possible. So we check options one by one. First option is P delta Q, delta reflects not equal to. P not equal to Q phi R. Phi reflects not greater than. Not greater than means less than or equal to. This is the first option, P delta Q phi R. If we analyze whether this option is correct or not, so P not equal to Q, given information P is less than Q. Here in the first option they are giving P not equal to Q. If P is less than, it cannot be equal to Q. This part is correct. Q not equal to R, Q less than R. This is a possibility. This option is possible. This is a possible option and they are asking to check option which is not correct. So this is a correct information where we have to proceed for the option which is not correct. So I reject this option. Now I come to the second option. Second option is P square box Q delta R. If I decode this option, box represents less than. Box represents less than. So P less than Q. Delta represents not equal to. So if I going to verify this option is correct or not, whether this expression is possible or not, P less than Q, a correct information, Q not equal to R, this is also a correct information. So this is a correct information, but they are asking to check to identify wrong option. So rejected option. Come to the third one. In the third option, the information is P phi Q. Phi represents not greater than, not greater than, not greater than. P phi Q square box R. Square box represents less than. This is the third option. Let us check whether this option, this expression is possible or not. So P less than Q, P not greater than Q. If P is less than Q, it cannot be greater than Q. This is the correct information. Q not equal to R, Q less than R, this is also possible. So this expression is possible, whereas we have to check which is not possible. So I reject this option also. Now fourth option must be correct, but let me check this option also. In the fourth option, they are giving P then a symbol plus Q then a symbol R, whereas plus represents equal to. So I am decoding this question. Plus represents equal to, whereas cross, it represents not less than. It represents not less than. Now let us check this option. If P is less than Q, P cannot be equal to Q, whereas they are giving equal to Q. So this possibility is rejected. Q not equal to R, Q not less than R, Q not less than R, it may be equal to. So this might be correct, may be possible, may not be possible, but this is absolutely wrong. So this expression must be wrong, whereas we have to identify that option which is wrong. So on that behalf, fourth option should be correct. So the correct answer for this question is the fourth option.